Hey guys, Uncle Pip here. Welcome back to the channel. This is the next Jeep update video, and I'm excited. This is going to be the biggest one that I have ever produced because it's the beginning of the end. That's right, I am standing next to my Jeep right now, and my plan is to start taking it apart. Every bolt is going to come off of this Jeep. I have no idea what I'm doing. Every project I've ever worked on in the past, I've given up on halfway through. But this one, this Jeep, holds historical significance because my understanding is it is parts matching. It is the engine number is the same as the data plate that is inside the Jeep. So I believe it's a all original, all correct 1943 Ford GPW, and today is the first day of the restoration. Today's date is August the 10th, 2026. I'm hoping it takes less than 2 years, so please join me. First thing I'm going to do tonight is I'm going to try to take the hood off, and I'm going to try to take the fenders off. And I might climb underneath and look at the exhaust system as well, because that needs to come off too. I want to do a frame off restoration, and that's where we're at. I'm not going to record a whole lot of it tonight because it's going to be boring. You're going to just see me taking some bolts off of things. So I'll show you the progress as I go. I'm going to list the date of the video would be the date that I released the video, but I'm going to do this work periodically, and I might give you an update with several days of work at one time. So hope you enjoy it. Hope you come along with me because I don't know what I'm doing. I will share that with you as I go. Yes, I am very nervous because once I start, there is no stopping. Thanks for asking. This is probably for my reference only, but I'm going to show everybody because I'm here. There's a like a special washer behind the bolts on the ends, and those relate or correlate or are related to or are connected to, whatever you want to say, to the bonding straps. I do know the term there. So that was like two of those washer things with spikes on them and a metal backing plate. I think that was part of the bonding strap. When I go to put this thing back together, I better do it right. So I'm going to document the stupid details, add it to the public channel, and then I personally am going to go back and watch this public channel to be able to verify if I'm doing this right. So there you go. concludes the very first day. I got the hood off, and I broke a bolt, and that's everything. That bolt went to the electrical line. I don't know the official name to pretty much anything on here, so I'm making it up. That's right, we are day 2 of the big project. I'm not going to keep track of the days, but because it's only the second day, it was easy. You can see the progress we've made. This is kind of exciting, but I've never had these work before. That's how it's designed. I just never, it was always stuck. So I unstuck it today. That made me happy. Just thought I'd give you that quick update. Got the front fender off on the driver's side. Next time I work on it, I'm going to work on the passenger side fender. I hope you watched this video till the end, but I really hope that you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time.